show you something. I think it's getting ready to storm. But never mind. Hold on. I said hold. Oh no. The wind is picking up. This wind is picking up. Yo, look at that cloud. That's dark. Yo. Oh my god, that tree down there. Oh my god. Oh my. Holy crap. Holy crap. Man, this wind. Holy crap, is it gonna get worse? Be honest, I think. Look at that tree down there. It's like white. That ain't good. Dang, the pine trees. This is bad. This is bad. Oh, that wind. Yeah, it's starting to calm down. I'm gonna put you upstairs. No, he's being a dumb dog. Okay. It's better up here. You just stand there, it should get bad.
I'm going to prank this school by pulling the fire alarm. This will be so funny. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. How do you like that, suckers?
Wait a minute. What is going on?
I don't know. I think the fire alarm is tripping. Then why are we still standing here? Come on, let's go outside.
Come on, hurry up. We gotta go outside quick.
Come on, you guys. Hurry up.
Ha 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 ha. Nobody can stop me now.
Hold it right there, Buster. Where do you think you're going?
Chandler, we saw what you did. How dare you break the school by pulling the fire alarm? You were not getting away with this. You were in big trouble, little man.
Yeah, we only use the alarm for fire drills and in case of a real fire. That alarm was meant to take it seriously for this school. That is not something to play with at all.
You deal with it, little brat. I'm going to warn the others that it's a false alarm.
Come with us to the main office now, Chandler. You are in for a bad treat now. You little jerk.
Wait, Miranda. What took you so long?
I came here to tell you guys that was just a false alarm. Chandler McCann caused all of this.
God damn it, Chandler. When is this nonsense going to stop for once?
That red-haired freak is a total asshole. I can't believe he caused all of this. He nearly gave us a damn heart attack. First, he insulted Luke Naseda at McDonald's. Second, nearly killed us at GameStop. Trying to beat up Lincoln and Peter Pan. Trying to ruin my sleepover. And now this.
Like seriously, I really cannot take his nonsense much longer. That little jerk has done way too much.
Doesn't he know that fire alarms was meant to take it seriously? He is one sick little bastard. He has not learned no lesson from many of us. What a total jackass.
I feel all of your pain, but don't worry. He is in the principal's office right now, because me, Wendy, and Zoe caught his actions in the hallway. Anyways, everything is okay in the school. Like I said, it was just a false alarm. Sorry that this happened to you guys. You all may come inside now.
Okay, Miss Clementine and Principal Ramirez, we got him.
Thank you, Zoe and Wendy. You guys may go now.
That little jerk never learned his own lesson.
I agree with you, Wendy.
Chandler, take a seat right now. Now, do you know why those two girls sent you here?
Yes, and I'm very sorry. It was only just a prank.
A prank? Just a stupid prank? That is the most ridiculous thing I have ever heard in my life. How dare you pull the fire alarm just for a stupid prank? That was just so stupid.
Don't you realize that fire alarms are meant to take it really seriously? That is not something to play around with. They are really, really important for this school.
Fire alarms are only used for in case of a real fire and practicing fire drills, not for stupid and dumb pranks. And you are very lucky that the fire department didn't come here. Because even if they did, they would have sent you to the police department and put you in jail for the next few days because of your disgraceful actions.
Now, since your troublemaking has not stopped for once, you will have a lot of consequences to pay. You will be signed up for after-school detentions from 2 o'clock to 6:00 p.m.
I would have got the whole thing if this garbage, stupid. I would have got the whole thing if this stupid garbage phone didn't end. Because before it ended, it was horrible. But this stupid phone wanted to be a stupid idiot. Stupid idiot. Stupid idiot phone. I hate this garbage, stupid phone. I'm uploading this one.
For being a